Hey Salinger007, great question about pre and post workout nutrition. Now I know myself and many others in the industry consider this to be a super duper important topic. So I wanted to answer it to the best of my ability. Now, pre and post workout nutrition, the way I approach it, the way I've learned how to approach it most effectively, is a couple hours before the gym, I have a solid meal. You know, whatever that is. So you spoke to the idea about in the morning, you go to classes and so forth. If you're in a rush, that's a different story. I'll tackle that in a second. But in general, around training, I try and get in upwards of 50% of my carbohydrates split between my pre-workout meal and my post. Because you're giving your body the energy to train before the workout, and then you're replenishing the body after the workout. So I would argue to say those are two of the most important meals of the day. Okay? So what I do and what I recommend people do is a couple hours before a workout, have a solid meal. You know, it depends on where you are, if you have to have a protein shake, whatever it may be, but have something, let it digest, hit the gym. After the workout, within an hour or so, you don't have to go crazy. If it's not 10 minutes and 49 seconds, your brain will explode. No. You know, whenever you get a chance to eat, you have another solid meal. And both of those meals should have carbohydrates, protein, and a little bit of fat in there. And that would just help with the nutrition partitioning throughout the entire process, and it'll give you the energy you need. Now, if you speak to the idea about being in the rush in the morning, I definitely don't recommend training or doing cardio or anything without eating. You know, from a protein perspective, maybe a supplement like branched chain amino acids and a little bit of carbohydrate, like a fast digesting one, like a fruit. That's always worked for me. Like I found myself having frozen strawberries or frozen blueberries with either a little bit of protein or BCAAs, and I put in a blender with some ice and knock her back when I'm in a rush in the morning and I have to go train or do something. But that would be my advice. But keep up the good work, because 4 times a week, that's a lot. And the racket stuff, that's intense stuff, dude. Cheers.